today's video, I gonna teach easy step how to make thumbnail and put thumbnail in your video on YouTube. This time I use PicsArt for making my thumbnail. Let's get started. You choose picture in your gallery that you wanted to edit. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more related videos to upload. We need to crop 16:9 for thumbnail size. After we edit, we save it first because we'll edit a picture to put it here. As you can see, we already saved the photos that we edit. Now I edit again one more photo that I wanted to put in the first photo that I edited. I will remove the background, but I don't have Pro, so I do this way. Press cut out and press person. As you can see, the background is already removed. I have to save it first. This time I have to finish my project. Pressing add photo to drag the picture that I edited. Using our fingers, hold the dotted at the side and pull it. We can adjust how big the picture we like. And drag it where we want to put it. This time I want to put text on it. We can choose colors and font for our text. This time I click style so I can choose style for my text. This is okay for me, so I have to save it now. Let's proceed to the next step. We put the thumbnail in the video. We open the YouTube Studio. Click the video that you want to put thumbnail. Press the pencil icon. We can download now our thumbnail. We can save it now. Now my video has already a thumbnail.